This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious Lumpiang Shanghai. We'll start by gathering all our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of ground pork, 1 small onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 carrot, all finely minced. Don't forget a pack of 25 to 30 lumpia wrappers and 1 egg for sealing. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a perfect batch every time. Now that our ingredients are prepped, let's mix and roll. In a large bowl, combine your ground pork, minced onion, garlic, and carrot. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix everything well until evenly distributed. Then, take a lumpia wrapper, place a small amount of filling, and roll it up tightly, sealing the edge with a bit of egg wash. This ensures a compact and crispy lumpia. Frying is key to achieving that perfect golden crispness. Heat about 2 to 3 inches of neutral cooking oil in a deep pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Carefully place the rolled lumpia into the hot oil, frying them in small batches. This prevents the oil temperature from dropping too much. Cook each batch for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, turning occasionally, until they are beautifully golden brown and thoroughly cooked inside. Once fried, transfer your crispy Lumpiang Shanghai to a wire rack lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. This keeps them from becoming greasy. Serve them hot with a delicious sweet chili sauce or a vinegar garlic dip. If you have any uncooked lumpia left, you can freeze them on a baking sheet before transferring to an airtight container. They'll keep well for up to 3 months, ready for your next craving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.